Hey you, does it feel like paying the IRS is your most expensive hobby? Well, let's fix it. All right, LLC is literally called limited liability for a reason. So here's what we got to do instead. I call this the 3-bucket rule. We got to operate out of a trust. But typically, we need 2 different types of trust. We have a business trust and a beneficial trust. I'm not going to waste our time with the business trust because it operates very similar to your existing structures. However, the beneficial trust is the important one to understand. Inside the beneficial trust, we have 3 buckets, not 2 like every other entity. This 3-bucket strategy allows us to have legitimate expenses, illegitimate expenses, and retain capital for the purpose of the beneficiaries. So let's talk through it. The very first one, this is what we call the HEMS, and then additional Tier 1 income producing assets. So what does that mean? It means that under a trust, I can use pre-tax dollars on health, education, maintenance, support, homes, cars, insurance, crypto, basically anything that benefits the beneficiaries. So the second bucket here is the non-justified expenses. Things like fun, food, and fashion for the adult members. Well, that makes sense, doesn't it? This is the exact same chart of accounts and things that you can't spend money out of on an LLC. Now, there's one special bucket that I really want to tackle here. This bucket is the additional profit bucket. Now, when we look at the additional profit bucket, in every other entity, it's taxed. There's no way, ifs, ands, or buts. There's no way around it. Whether it goes onto your personal return or it stays inside the business, right, like a C Corp, it's taxed. You're going to get taxed regardless. So we got to fix that. This is what the trust specializes in. After we pay for the first bucket, and then we pay for the second bucket, and we get taxed on that. But then the third bucket, we've got money left over. That money right there can be retained inside the trust. We call this allocating it to the corpus of the trust. And that money we can then defer taxes on because we're telling the IRS, look, I'm going to invest it back in the first bucket next year. And that right there is the key difference between the 3-bucket trust rule and your 2-bucket operating entity like an LLC, S Corp, or C Corp. Guys, if you want to know how to fix it and implement this into your guys' current business structure, it's not that hard. All you got to do is comment trust down below or click the link in my bio to book a call with me. Appreciate you guys' time. Look forward to working with you.